Let's make these delicious Dulce de Leche Brigadeiros. Hi, my name is Cheryl and I teach recipes and techniques so you can make your own chocolates at home. I know this recipe does not really have chocolate in it, although some Brigadeiros, quite a few actually, do involve chocolate. So I thought I'd do a few recipes with Brigadeiros that you can make at home, and this one is a caramel-based Brigadeiro, which of course everything caramel is so delicious and is one of my favorite flavor profiles. I'm also going to be sharing some recipes in the coming weeks of Brigadeiros made with white chocolate and also made with milk and dark chocolate. So please subscribe if you'd like to see future videos on all things chocolate and, in the coming weeks, Brigadeiros. The first thing we need to do is make the Dulce de Leche sauce, and it's actually very easy, but you must continuously stir this until it's ready. So we want to start by making a dry caramel. So you just heat your sugar a little bit at a time until it's dissolved. And then after your sugar is all dissolved and the color is a nice amber color, add your room temperature cream to the mixture slowly, very slowly. The steam is going to rise up, so be very careful that you do not burn yourself. And also make sure that the burner is turned off at this point when you're adding your cream. After adding your cream, that's it. Just cool the mixture down and add it to your favorite jar. You can use this as a topping for ice cream, or I like to use it to make a caramel latte as a special treat. Now we're ready to make the Brigadeiros using our Dulce de Leche caramel sauce. This recipe is very easy. You need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of the caramel sauce, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And you just stir that together until it's completely dissolved and it starts to boil. You need to continuously stir this until it's ready. What you're trying to do is boil out most of the water until it's thick enough that you'll be able to cool it and roll it into a ball. You can tell that because when you tip the pan, it will come away from the bottom. It takes about 10 minutes on medium to low heat. Cover and cool the mixture in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then just put a little bit of butter in your hands and start rolling it into bite-sized pieces. For toppings, I use chocolate sprinkles and also some coarse sugar. This part is totally optional, but I thought it would be nice to make a nice icing for the top and pipe it on top. And to do that, I simply used icing sugar, some more of the Dulce de Leche caramel sauce, and a little bit of cream to make a smooth consistency, and then just piped it on top for decoration. Absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and turn on notifications.